In this video we are starting with the repair of the RD350. I've got some new foot pegs in. We are redoing the throttle cable and fixing the clutch cable and so on. Here we have the new foot pegs, bought them from Jemparts, great dealer. I'll leave a link in the description below. And here we are doing the throttle cable. I have to lay down an adapter to this guy right here. And let's start with that. Oh, fuck. Safety, damn it, safety! Boop. Oh yeah! Wasn't happy with the throttle cable, so it went in the bin. I'm gonna order a new throttle body from Jim Lomas in Czech Republic. So I have one wire for each carb. I got it on the Gussie and I'm real happy with that. Now on to the foot pegs. After my little accident, I've got some new foot pegs as I showed you, and I'm gonna fit them here. I need to make a bushing that goes inside here on the lathe, and that's the next thing. That's one side, one to go. Here you guys have it, the new foot pegs. So now I have some gears and a rear brake. I think they look pretty good. There's a good value in them. Not the nicest, but I don't think it looks bad. And it cost 700 Swedish. It's about $70. And yeah, I think it's all right. As I said, I'm ordering a new throttle. I'm going with same I have on the Gussie. It's a TZ, Yamaha TZ replica. Here we have some tidying up to do. Fix this. I think I'm going with a different handlebars. With the saddle I have taken off about that much. I'm gonna ask my sister if she can reupholster it. Think it's going to look much better, much tighter, and I also going with a yellow stripe along here, maybe up and around here or around like this, or maybe both. Maybe pick up the darker blue with the yellow and go around like this and like this. I don't know. I have to think about it a bit more, but yeah, I hope I can take this bike to the road this summer again. It's a beast to ride. I forgot to wire these. These are the lights for the license plate. We've also made a bracket for the license plate. I think it turned out nice, and yeah, it shouldn't be that much more on this bike. Clutch springs, fill it up with oil again, and wire the lights, and yeah, go over the bike, check that everything is tight, and then it should be ready to ride. Next episode on the SR 500, we are putting on the fuel tank and the saddle so you can see it, how it's going to look pretty much. The RD350 is getting there. I can't wait to ride it again. It went so nice. Next week's episode is gonna be a short one. It's on the upcoming project. Hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified on that project. And as I said, SR500, we want it out on the roads again. So yeah, clutch and a bit more, and it's good to go. And of course, this is a real startup. I'm going to film it and let you guys take part of the first startup and ride with the bike. So yeah, can't wait. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you do. Till next time, bye.